Hello,
Hello,
ma'am.
ma'am. So, what's the problem is, ma'am? Ma'am, when we started our campus startup, so we were with the funds, but within the few months, the funds were running out.
We were spending on marketing, tools, and operations without knowing how long the money would last.
Okay, so let me ask you a few questions regarding the startup. So, have you formulated a financial plan before for the startup?
No, ma'am.
Have you received any money as a return from your business?
No, ma'am.
Do you have any plan for the actual sales for the business?
No, ma'am.
So, the real problem is not the lack of funding, it is the lack of visibility on the cash fund and fund. Okay, so let's solve this problem with the design thinking approach. See, this is a simple cash fund tracker for any startup, any business based on design thinking approach. Okay, what you can do, you can divide your information in these four categories. These two sections are dedicated for the available funds and the monthly expenses which you are doing. Okay, for an example, in the case of available funds, you can categorize your information based upon the initial funds available, additional fund received if you have specifically for a month. This will give you the figure of total available cash with the business on monthly basis. Okay, based on this you can track your expenses also. What you can do on the monthly basis, you can have a different sections like what is your expense related to marketing, tools, operations, teams, and any miscellaneous expenses if you are having.
Wow, that's great. We never thought like this.
Design thinking in finance will help us survive, not just grow, as it turns the financial data into decision making.
Thank
Thank
you,
you,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Ma'am.